Soaring above the fiery heart of a volcano, the intense heat below sends shivers down my spine. The mesmerizing beauty of molten lava dancing beneath me is both thrilling and terrifying. The adrenaline rush is unmatched as I witness the raw power of nature from this unique perspective. It's a surreal experience, feeling the heat on my skin as I navigate the turbulent air currents. Flying above a volcano is a reminder of the Earth's incredible forces at work, a humbling and awe-inspiring journey that leaves me breathless.